Hello, hello, and Merry Christmas. My name is Melina Palmer. I'm a speaker, consultant, host of the Brainy Business podcast with downloads in more than 170 countries, and author of a book which came out earlier this year titled What Your Customer Wants and Can't Tell You. As an applied behavioral economist, I help people to understand how the brain actually works and makes buying decisions and how to better communicate with it. I help people in business to consider how to create great value for their customers and communicate in a brain-friendly way that makes it so people are more likely to choose your best products and services and be happier about it. The main thing to know about the brain is that the subconscious is running the show, and 95% of buying decisions are made on habit. Now, here are my 3 top tips as we close out the year. First is this concept of framing, which is that how you say something matters much more than what you actually say. I want you to imagine you're going to the grocery store to buy some ground beef, and there are 2 nearly identical stacks. One is labeled as 90% fat-free, the other as 10% fat. Which one sounds more appealing, and are you more likely to want to buy? Overwhelmingly, people around the world say 90% fat-free, even though we know logically these are the same thing. The way that it's said matters. Look around your business for anything you're talking about in 10% fat terms for ways to reframe it as 90% fat-free. Even better, is there anything in your industry that everyone talks about as 10% fat where you can be the one person or company talking about in 90% fat-free terms? It will help you to have people naturally choose you without having to do a lot of cold selling. This also works in holiday conversations with family. Our next concept is one of reciprocity, and giving a little will get you a lot. As an example, giving a mint with the check increases tips by 3%, which is quite valuable when you consider the cost of the mint itself. If you are given 2 mints, that's shown to increase tips by 14%. And when there was a little bit of thoughtfulness, giving 1 mint, you turn to walk away and then say, you know what, for you nice people, here's an extra mint. It resulted in a 23% increase in tips. The gifts you give from your business, whatever it may be, don't have to be huge or cost you a lot. Look at social media. Where can you comment on someone else's content? Could you reshare someone's post or an article and not ask for anything in return? Give first, and you'll be amazed at how much people give back to you. My last tip is based on how I end all my podcast episodes and my email signature, which is to be thoughtful, and it ties in with these first 2 tips. Take a moment to stop and think about how you frame things and how you might be able to give first to someone. How can you make someone grateful for you this holiday season? And in the spirit of giving, I have a little gift for you. If you go to thebrainybusiness.com/potluck, you can get the first chapter of my book, What Your Customer Wants and Can't Tell You, for free. Again, it's at thebrainybusiness.com/potluck. Enjoy, be thoughtful, and happy holidays.